Do you and your team find yourselves constantly struggling to keep organized while trying to keep track of the leads and opportunities throughout the sales process? Do your sales reps have way too much on their plates? If things are made easier by automating as many mundane tasks as possible, couldn't they put more attention to getting more leads and closing deals with opportunities? Do you find it difficult making heads or tails of all that data and numbers that you have? Are you tired of miscommunication resulting in potential lost revenue? Wouldn't it be great if staying on the same page were made easy? But don't worry, we're here to help. We've listened to you, your pain points, your needs, the things that you want done. We'll make it a lot easier to reach your goals. With Salesforce, you'll be able to organize and streamline your sales process from the beginning to the end. And by automating what you can, you'll be able to spend more time on what really matters, reaching your goals and improving the bottom line. And with Salesforce's custom dashboards, you can turn your data into useful information and get a picture of your organization as a whole, both what's going on right now and get projections towards the future. So those are definitely some big claims. How exactly are we going to accomplish all of that? Well, let's start off by looking at the home page. The home page is a dynamic user experience that shows exactly what that user needs to see. You'll get an overview of information, a list of to-dos for the day, and you'll see some key deals and recent opportunities to be aware of. There's even an assistant that can help you out with all the things you need to do. But what about the most important part of your organization? The clients. We've listened to your needs and customized the sales pipeline to meet XYZ standards. Let's look at leads. Here we can see the recently viewed leads for this user. Let's open Violet from Emerson Transport. Here we have the pipeline going all the way from not contacted all the way to converted. Now what if Violet with Emerson Transmission is interested in learning more? Let's see what happens when we convert Violet from a lead to an opportunity. First of all, the account page will automatically be updated with the new information populated automatically. From here, we can add new notes to the account, anything relevant and important to keep in mind. We can also upload notes, files, and attachments. Here in the Opportunities page, you can see an opportunity has automatically been created for Emerson Transport. Here we have the custom XYZ opportunity pipeline all the way from prospecting to closed. So Violet's interested. She wants to know more. She wants a quote. Well, we've made that easy too. Right from the opportunity page, you can create a new quote for the user. Once the quote is created, it's as easy as going to the Quotes tab to update the quote itself. From here, we can see the quote status, all the way from needs review, in review, approved, accepted, and so on. Once opening the quote, we can select whether it's a corporate or a nonprofit account. Then finishing it up is as simple as can be. You simply select the desired items that they're interested in. Then, you simply enter the quantity and then discount it as needed. Any discounts from 0 to 15%, any sales rep can do. From 15 to 25%, we'll need a manager's approval. Anything over 25%, we'll need Quincy's approval. When a deal is made over $10,000 or a proposal is made over $50,000, automatically an email will go out to Quincy himself. So there we have your sales process, from acquiring leads and converting them to opportunities. You can even make quotes right from the opportunity page and get automatic email alerts when needed. But what about data and information? Here in the Reports tab, let's take a look at the Opportunity Tracking Report. Here we can see each of the individual opportunities listed out with their close date, probability of closing, expected revenue, and the amount. This is kind of a lot to take in, right? It's a lot of numbers. What do they really even mean? It'd be nice if we had an overview of everything, right? Well, turns out we have that too. Dashboards are dynamic and easily customizable, meaning each user sees the information that's relevant to them. Managers can see an overview of what's going on in the company, and sales reps can see the information they need to know as well. Here's an example of what a manager might see. In the top left, you'll see all of the revenue in the entire pipeline, giving you an idea of the maximum potential available. In the opportunity status graph, you'll get an idea of where everything's at, whether they're not started, in progress, or waiting on approval. Whereas the opportunities in the pipeline will show you where most of your opportunities are currently sitting, whether they're prospecting, investigating, or so on. And last but not least, the expected revenue by stage will show you where most of the money currently is, whether the proposal is just made, it's in the negotiation stage, or whether it's already been closed. And remember, all of these reports are easily customizable, so you can see whatever information you feel is most important. We know you value information, and we also know you value communication and collaboration. Fortunately, Chatter is automatically built into Salesforce. From here you can have message boards, polls. People can post questions to have them answered. You can even have custom groups for whatever you think your team needs. Thank you so much for watching this demo. And remember, that really was only the tip of the iceberg of what Salesforce can do for you. From organizing and streamlining your sales process, to making the work more efficient and giving you the information and data that you need. The possibilities really are endless on how much Salesforce can help you and your team reach your goals.